Hi, it's Nikki, aka the Poop Lady, here with your first high energy tip. Water. It seems so simple, but it is so life-changing when you are adequately hydrated. If you want to get every morsel of what Suzanne is going to teach us over the next 3 days, you need to be hydrated. Your brain and your body need to be working optimally. And yes, when you're hydrated, you have more energy. And yes, you even poop better. What does that look like though? That looks like, ideally, half of your body weight in ounces of water. Whoa, if that's like, oh my God, Nikki, no way could I drink that much water, then shoot for 2 large glasses more than you normally would. And how do you do that? Find a beautiful cup or a bottle or the largest glass that you have and have it with you. Put it on your desk so when we're absorbing all this amazing content that Suzanne has to offer, you have the water right there. Also, drink as much as you can on breaks and early in the morning. So now, right before Suzanne starts on stage, hydrate. If you really want to have the energy Suzanne has, you have to adequately be hydrated. Pay attention. I guarantee she'll have water on stage. And water is the #1 thing. I'll see you tomorrow with our second tip. But if you are not on my calendar for your energy and income accelerator call, hop on it now. Get before all the good spots fill up. I'll see you tomorrow.